Oh, pardon the mess of everything. I'm still working to get this head unit installed. There is a relay that was back there that was triggered that was making my old head unit never turn on. That's why I didn't use it for years because I was too lazy to troubleshoot it. The NVX V Pro 65s don't fit in there, and the NVX VSP 65s don't fit in there. I'm sure I could do something with adapters or beyond what's already in there. But I just ordered some shallow mount kickers to call it a day. But the relay was plugged in with this. I'm just soldering to the accessory wire. Had to extend it. And getting ready to hook everything up. Got the rear speaker wires I want to add. Remote wires soldered. And I'm going to hook up the RCAs. And I'm going to be able to put the head unit and then throw all the extra wires just in the floor there. And then continue. Wait for my alternator. And then get that installed. I have my CV axle and stuff out because the previous alternator I tried didn't work. So I tried to do that. I'm going to put that all back in there once I get the new alternator in from Mike Singer. He custom built me one, found a small house, a casing or whatever from Europe to build me one. That should be delivered this week. And we'll go from there. Just a quick short video. I know I haven't been documenting any of this, but it's hard to do all the work yourself and then record. So, yep, alrighty. Techmaster 170, we're going to sign out.